Hello, little ones. Come along and meet the most adorable baby animals who are learning their very own names today.
A little lamb goes, ba 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 ba. She learns her name beneath a star. I'm Lamb! And skips along the green hillside. A fuzzy duckling says, quack quack, with yellow wings upon his back. I'm Duckling, splashing in the lake, a tiny wave with every shake. A spotted fawn peeks through the trees. Her wobbly legs bend at the knees. I'm Fawn, with big brown eyes and dainty feet.
A fluffy kitten starts to purr and rolls around in soft gray fur. I'm Kitten, stretching in the sun. Learning names is so much fun.
A round and roly piglet squeals, spins around and squeaks and reels. I'm Piglet, rolling in the mud, landing with a happy thud.
A tiny chick peeks from an egg on wobbly little golden legs.
I'm Chick, with fuzzy feathers everywhere.
A baby bear cub growls out loud. His little roar makes mama proud. I'm Cub, he bellows to the hill. The echo gives the forest a thrill. A gentle foal begins to trot. He trips a little, quite a lot. I'm Foal, he neighs beside his mum, galloping on legs that are still numb.
A baby bunny twitches his nose and hops along on tiny toes. I'm Bunny, leaping through the hay, learning names while he plays all day.
Now all the babies know their names. They learn them through their songs and games. They've learned the duckaphone. They learned it quick. The piglet, the bunny too. All say their name. Now what about you? Can you say your name?
Goodbye, little lamb. Goodbye, little duck. Goodbye, tiny chick. We wish you good luck. Goodbye, fuzzy bunny. Goodbye, baby bear. We'll see you two again if you'll meet us square and subscribe ones.